Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Let's get this rolling. Really haven't traded this much today. Lots of volatility happening. Let's see what we can do with it. Slow and steady, guys. Slow and steady. Get set up. Okay. I'm on 4 hour. It is pretty sporadic downside right now. We had some upside moves, but it's been pretty one-sided delivery right now. That daily fair value gap delivery, weekly delivery too. Now we're in the weekly fair value gap. Coming from the internal here from the weekly. So this is the correct move there. Not much to play on the downside much anymore, especially after this low is taken. I'm gonna mark this out. And then really the next sell side is all the 555, which is a long shot away. I think sell side is covered today, especially with ES taking the lows here too. So what we're expecting is range from here. So I'm not gonna short the low aggressively at this rate anymore. Large hourly gap here, just from that. Lots of things going on right now. There's a strike with the ports. I think 45, 50,000 people are going on strike right now, and that affects the economy because they're supposed to unload the ship's containers full of items and goods, and they're on strike. So that we have post-hurricane. I mean, that's probably didn't affect it much, but just what's happening. And then the main issue here, or the main news of the day is we have Israel and Iran going on, and some missiles getting launched. Looks like we just tapped in this BPR here too. I'll mark this out. We can hold this BPR similar like yesterday. We might get a move back up. But just know it's very aggressive right now. Very aggressive. So we'll see what we can get. I logged in Trade8. We'll see if we can get some trades going. This account at 158, we took that 3K balance. It was at 161. They took the 3K out, they deducted it, and they actually paid me within like 30 minutes. It's actually incredible. It's similar to my funded futures. If you guys trade my funded futures, their payouts are like instantaneous within 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and doesn't make difference. All that matters is Tradeify and my funded futures are quick. Let's see. Hello guys. Solid Apex payout update email floating about Twitter. Any thoughts about it? No payout window. Yes. I also posted something about that. Alright, let's wait for more people to get on, then we can talk about what's happening. While we do that, I guess we'll look at the price action here. I am focused on this 5-minute BPR here. Very aggressive downside still, but we are to sell side, so I don't really have anything to note anymore. Just mark this out too. There we go. Gonna go for basis today. This will be, I forget, this is 13th? Go into the 14th day. Let's see what happens. Could you please let me know what's the characteristic of a PM session? Would be helpful. Similarly to all the other sessions, so I kind of break down sessions by, we have Asia session, which is typically consolidation. We have London session, which typically is either more continuation or manipulation. And then New York AM gets like a strong delivery. PM could follow suit with that, or could chop around. So just looking at these colors here, AM blue, London orange, green is AM, and then PM's purple. These are what I separate by session here. And we can see if we have a move in Asia, this is a typical pattern of seek and destroy price action. London keeps Asia high but takes the low. New York takes London high but keeps the London low. We're expecting PM to have a sporadic action if we're going seek and destroy, and guess what it did? London low taken, London high taken, and New York high, along with Asia high basically getting tagged. What we have here, we have Asia low, Asia high. This is a nice range here. London lows kept, Asia high kept, just consolidation, and then New York just slams it down. So we're expecting PM to either have continuation or just chop here, because we already have the upside, the downside move. But if you're asking specifically with PM session, it is just typically, if there's no news during PM session, it typically has like a smaller range. So look at the green, the AM session, compared to the purple. Smaller range, smaller range, smaller range. I'm pretty sure the last like 10 sessions should be smaller range all around. I haven't seen a range that's bigger in AM yet, PM yet. Not a single one yet, except this one. This one probably had, this was FMC, so that's understandable. So knowing that, we know that PM is just slower. That just helps us take space hits. We don't have to worry about sporadic price action as long as there's no news. That is exclusive for today, because we do have a lot of volatile news happening in the world right now. And I've been just trading PM more. I do trade AM as well, but I'm getting more adjusted to PM. It's slower, but if you wait for the right time, wait for the right moment, it is very lucrative. And I'm sure if I was in a different country, different time period or time zone, I would most likely be trading like I could be trading Asia, I could be trading London. But that's just how it is. Apex did extend all their promotions. Yes. But we're on a 13-day win streak right now. Go into 14 if we can secure today. I'll post my dashboard here. Let me just go on Top Step, because Top Step has been pretty accurate with everything right now. They have a really good dashboard. Still at this 5-minute BPR, this could hold. We don't have to buy on the first tap or second tap. We can just wait for it to confirm, get a delivery out of it, maybe a closure above this 15-minute here, maybe something. We just need to see willingness to come back up if we're looking at longs and looking at the 5-minute BPR. If not, the downside is still there. I don't really like downside as much anymore, because we had a target before. We had a target in AM. I was trading AM with some of you guys, but they don't have the target anymore. How's my push there? So let's look what we have right now. We're at like 6,700 profit right now. This is the 13th day. I'll share this here. It's probably 200. This is like a 4K day. The only reason this was high, if you look back on my Twitter, I traded this live. It was trailed profits. You can rewatch that. That was the only reason. It was an A+ setup. After that, there's no A+ setup, so it's just been like 200, 300, 300, 200, 300, all the way to 6,700. We're on day 13 right now. So that's across all my accounts. And every trade has been called out. Let's just see what can happen. I have a tough feeling about today, so it's either going to be no trades or wait for that quality trade. Thoughts on Israel? Does My Fund Future have the rebate? It does. All three for right now have the rebate. All of them I listed. Apex is going to be a raffle instead. If you guys don't know about the rebate, I'll just go over it for like 2 minutes here. Basically, if you buy from any of our partners on our website here, you just log in the website, create an account, and there's going to be a submission form for cash rebate. This is what I talked about here. For Apex, My Fund Futures, TradeFi, Fast Track Trading, all four of them. We're going to open the submission box mid-October. So if you've been, let's say, from here to the next 2 weeks, you spent like $100 or like $500, My Fund Futures, $500 TradeFi, $1,000 trade Fast Track Trading, you can probably get 5, 6 to 7% cash back. We're going to work on the math there. We've been giving 6% flat at the moment. But another thing, testimony here. Where did I show it? Yeah, this is everyone who got the cash back. So like $307, $24. It could be as high as $300. It could be low as $24. Just depending how much you're purchasing. It's percentage based. So another good thing is we gave out $4,400 this weekend. Just basically 2 days. It's the last 7 days, but it's only 2 days really. I'll push that aside right now. Let's focus on trades. We'll get a closure here. That just means like just ready for more downside. I really wanted ES and NQ to try to dip back into this 50-minute before going lower or something like that. But we're really aggressively pushing still. Is it true Apex is claiming those leaks are false? You're referring to these leaks, right? Let's just make sure. This news here with like Apex payout window. If you're referring to this is straight from Apex. I can confirm on that. I didn't leak this. It was already spreading across Twitter. But that was the announcement that was going to be released on October 1st. Someone said that Apex said it's not true. My response would be, I think it's already mentioned all the dating back from the summer survey, May. They hinted it so many times. Just the other week, they actually sent that. It's a real email straight from Apex. So it's not like it's not happening. It's just when it happens. It might not be launched yet, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I'm just gonna wait for a very clear draw liquidity. I don't think we have it at the moment. And if you're in Discord, I kind of talked about like my thought process with the AM session so far, or with like before PM. It's very sporadic. Let me set up my trade copier and we get started too. Which reminds me, I probably need a trade on micros on live here. Did you see the TradeFi announcement? You must have not seen my Twitter. I need to turn off the music a little bit. It looks like it's high. Yeah, strong closure there. No SMT, just going lower. We have this could be considered a breaker here, which we got closed down, retap back in. This no closure above, so this break is still valid. Look at the 1 minute. We somewhat have another bearish breaker here too, which I don't like using as a entry unless I'm very bearish. I think it was just too low. This is going to be more used as a reference point. So if we can get through this and continue higher, I would feel more confident on the upside, just because we violated a nice bearish PD array there with a breaker formation. I just don't like shorts right now, to be honest, because I think we already extended too low right now, and we took that draw liquidity. So like what I mentioned here, that's that main draw liquidity here. The next one is like 300 points down. We can go down there. Keep in mind though, we already almost filled that weekly fair value gap, so I think upside is in order. Or choppy, or just like stay in this range. I don't feel confident that we're just gonna try to push under 800 and stay there for today. But I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Luke Burns, yeah. I posted all the announcement on Twitter, so you're hearing this is, if you're like busy, you're hearing all the news at once. You let me see here. You hear Tradeify. So Tradeify is increasing the max sim funding account from 5 to who knows what. Could be 20, could be 30. Most likely not above 20 though, or even 20. I think it's gonna be 10. If not 10, it could be like 7 or 8, which is still very good. Anything more than 5 is nice. No payout windows on Apex, and also no more denied payouts. If you want to take time to read this, they just basically talk about like how they'll talk to you before you get denied rather than denying you. And then Starter Plus launch. Nothing released on Fast Track Trading yet. It's more just promises. I think, did I just see? Yeah, this is so they announced too. I'm gonna say 10. Let's see if I am right. But yeah, it's like very exciting with all the prop news happening right now. Oh, FTT caught up on the payout. 1.2 million. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. They need to keep it going. So like, what I need to see happen is the next day. What was it? What's today? Tuesday or Wednesday? They gotta, today or tomorrow, they gotta do another like 400, 600K. Or they're just gonna keep on falling behind. Josh, that's an email that's leaked already, but I can confirm that it's a real email from Apex because I also received it. I just didn't leak it. I just reposted because it's already on Twitter. Yeah, like I'm not gonna post anything that's not confirmed. Unless like I'll say like, oh, this is what might be happening, but like, yeah, it's straight from Apex. It's good news. It's honestly like these are exciting news to keep you excited about, keep you interested, and give you hope too. Because like Apex has been having a negative campaign lately, but it's on them because they always been doing like negative things without giving any of their promises. Now they might be doing that pivot here. So this is Apex here. Apex was on the top of the world, and they just kept on doing like denials, probation, No more eval purchases. More denials. And now they're coming back up. This breaker is valid. There's no entry for... I didn't take this entry, though, but it's a unicorn entry if you believe it's downside. I would feel more convicted on downside if we have a liquidity target. But we already took it. Apex didn't confirm like the news release yet, but they talked about, like, in that email, they talked about what they plan to do. So we'll see what unfolds. Most likely this week they'll release something to everyone. I think they'll just put more people on probation instead of calling it denials. Yeah, I don't know. I think their email they're talking about, like, instead of denials, your requests, they'll directly email, they'll directly tell you what you're doing wrong. I guess put you in probation. So that is great about that. To get you right before you get a request. I mean, it's a good vision, at least. It's getting somewhere. But yeah, breaker retrace and slam down. I was using this as more of a reference to the entry model. If we had equal lows, if we had an hourly liquidity target, this is a entry that I'll take all day. What's TradeFi news today? They announced that they're going to increase their funding. So let me also show you guys something very exciting on my part too. Look at this. Look at this. Brian, 3,000 payout straight from this account. This is, keep in mind, this account, if you watch like the last 20 streams or 15 streams, we've been trading on this account and we built it up from 150k to 161k. Took 3k out. We're at 158 right now. We still don't have enough for our next payout, so we're sitting pretty right now. I actually like that certification too. And I requested Apex last night as well. My FTT is still pending. We're at a ball rolling. Like, I think first half of the October, we're already on track for like 60, 70k. And then if we can just finish strong in October, it's going to be a record month for me. Probably a lot of you guys too, if you guys are following the same path. Still moving lower here. I think I remember one of the Apex support. I think you're saying maybe FTT support. Yeah, FTT. They were 3 million behind, not 15 million. 15 million is a lot. But honestly, with the 10 days back, I kind of project it would be like 7 mil behind at least. Just tracking the numbers and the dates so far. Because 1.5 mil got them 3 days, I think. And we're still behind by like another 10 days. Yeah, I'm pretty sure at least like 6 positive, 6 plus. And more conservative would be like 8 mil, I think. But you gotta also account for how much they're bringing in. I think, if I were to guess, I think they're bringing in like, each week they should be bringing in like 4 or 5 mil in revenue. I think someone asked earlier why I'm doing the cash rebate rewards. Is to help you guys save. Because let's say I get commission, right? I get commission from the firm. I'll get like 10%, up to 15. I'll give you guys basically 5%, which is half of that. The other half goes to the other half goes to taxes, and maybe there'll be like a few percentage for profit. So let's just imagine it's like 15%. 5% goes to you, 5% goes to taxes, the other 5% would likely go to, I guess, profit or whatever expenses there is for the dev team and our staff while we're making this automation. But we already we spent like, we rebated, I think, at 4,200 for 4,400. It says 4,400 2 days ago. Before this, I think it was like 6k, so like 10k totals in rebates, guys, for September. And that was not even the whole month. That's like when we're starting out. That's incredible. Just don't pay taxes, yeah. So let me get this straight. One, I'll help you guys pass the evals with like CPI non-pro. I've been doing that. Two, I help you guys get funded, or not get funded to make consistent profits and get payouts. Now three, we're helping you save with those prop expenses. It's a triple threat. What's next? That's why I said to Discord. I said, what's next? Time to do your taxes too. Brian can write off the rebate, so it's a win-win. If you think about it like that, like I would rather just keep it then. If I'm just going for the write-off. So like let's say there's like 10K in commissions. I'd rather keep like if I'm thinking about taxes, I'll just keep that. They'll take off like 40% and I'll keep 6K rather than me giving out 5K of that 10K. Now like the profits be like 2K after taxes. We're just trying to start something up to help you guys save more. I think it's something missing in the community. And whatever that helps you guys save is it's a win for everyone. Nothing yet here. I think Desi was interested in getting on, but he already had a big day. So he might just stay off here. Look at that, a nice closure. So this is the reference point I'm talking about. Now that we got through that, this is what we're going to do here. We're going to flip this to a bullish breaker. And we violated a bearish breaker to create a bullish breaker. I'm more confident in this bullish setup here. With our stop below the open of the bottom up close candle. So a reference point or an example would be like this would be the entry, this would be the stop, and you're going for the next target. If we give us the entry. I don't know if they'll even give us an entry. It's a volatile day. I need to say close first before we even think about it. Because without the closure, we don't have the fair value gap. So just straight way down, straight way up. We just gotta close, and at the same time we open up, wick down. Gonna let this play out a little bit more. It's very both sides right now. We also want to see a 15-minute flip for a bullish setup. That's kind of like traditional. Because it's still bearish bias at the moment. But this could be valid here because we have these lows taken here. We violated bearish breaker, formed a bullish breaker. I just would like it close above so I can retrace entry. There might be better setups than this though. We'll just taper it right now until we see a setup that we could like more. Yeah, so now I think if we do a what do you call it? A wick down back to this breaker, I'll wait for a lower time frame flip to join in. I'll feel much more confident with this. This looks good. This looks good. The 5-minute BPR is still holding surprisingly on NQ, not on ES though. Yeah, so that was the bullish unicorn. It really happened fast. Typically, when price action is not this volatile, we'll get a 1-minute fair value gap before we retrace it. We kind of retrace at the same time, if you guys noticed that. Literally, the moment we came down here, wicked in and already back up. Getting oil. Going for easy setups today, though. See any more easy setups. Check the chart. I'm not trying to check oil, man. Come on. I'm already confused enough with NQ today. You want me to trade oil now? See this 5-minute close too. Okay, I might be interested in playing micros at least. Maybe we'll get a warm-up first. We do like 2 micros at a time. We made I think $250 yesterday with micros on live stream. Today it just feels dangerous to kind of catch the knife. I feel like it's much easier to join in on the delivery rather than try to catch this. So I'm also very skeptical of this catching this right now. But let's see. What is it? Closure first. Looking, I might get this shot here. I'm gonna try to start 2 micros, and then if this plays do play out, we'll likely add to it. I would like the chart to show more. It's a very large gap too. Yeah, I should just mark it in. I'm getting sluggish with trading view, man. It's so slow with trading view. If it was Ninja Trader, I'd have already been in. I had to right click and drag it, all that stuff. No bracket orders either. I'll put a consequent encroachment here. 2 micros in. This is my full size is gonna be 1 mini, so this is like a 1/5 of a size. And then what we'll add to this if it does get a closure above the bullish breaker, and then continue pressing higher. Just 2 micros right now. So yeah, we'll likely put the stop right at the close here. I'm not in love with this setup either, just because it's so choppy and volatile. But I need a closure above the bullish breaker and willingness to move back up for me to add to this. So we'll wait for the next closure here. How much is 60 ticks? Like $50. Nice close there. Nice close. Looking to add to this trade here. We're starting to give more willingness here. Get the ball rolling. I think trading view is just a preference for me, like, or I prefer Ninja over because I trade Ninja like all day. Trading view I only trade for the stream. What I'd like to do is chart on trading view, not trade on it. But since I'm streaming, you guys always like to say like, oh, trade it on trading view too, so we can see your trades and everything. This is so slow. 5-minute close down here. Yeah, better 15-minute push here. Hey, where did the music stop? Ads? The ads on YouTube has been crazy lately. Stop loss is down. The breaker low, which I'm likely gonna manage myself. It's always the breaker low. Oh, or no, breaker low's down here. A closure on the breaker low. So like a 10 point from the breaker low, but give or take a closure could do another 5 point damage, even more. This is so slow. I don't think I would want it going back to the breaker though. That is disappointing if it does. Took some partials already on my Apex. I'm gonna let this ride on Tradify. It's a nice 15 point move already. Beautiful. There we go. We're getting some moves back up. That's the beauty of copy trading though. You don't have to hold through every single account. You can have some accounts that you scale up on, other accounts where you take compounds. As long as you find the right setup. Get the ball rolling. How do you like Tradify? I think Tradify has a lot of potential. Same as FTT, but I think Tradify just is more innovative. It's similar like MyFund Futures with a younger perspective. It's more relatable because I think Brent Semba is a trader, is an influencer. He knows the space tremendously. So he's going to guide that firm into a direction like no one could, for better or worse. Take trade back down. My trading view just lagged so hard there. I don't know if they caught it on stream. But it is a little buggy here. I don't really like that. Beautiful. Wait, okay. It took TP on my NinjaTrader, no TP on on my trading view. Hey, is trading view like a second behind or something? Something's lagging. Something's lagging bad. I just don't know if it's catching on stream. But I can see in real time, like, the refresh rate is really slow. Beautiful. Beautiful. First trade in. Desi's not here. All good. I'm carrying it up. Up 600 on my count so far. I heard trading views 5-second delay. This might be only today because I've never seen this delay this bad before. Like, this is outrageous. First one he took long with those guys. This is a pretty frame setup. I don't know if you guys were here for the whole stream so far, the whole 30 minutes. I kind of walked through this trade perfectly. If you guys remember, I marked the bearish breaker. I want to see it's more of a reference point. It did give an entry here with a unicorn, but I just didn't like the downside right now. So if we do violate the bearish breaker, we form the bullish breaker. We get a closure up. I'm waiting for a willingness to move up. I entered, and we're just. I think the only thing I lacked was not adding to the trade, but it's all good. Okay, we might keep the streak going. We might keep the streak going. The streak is alive. 14-day win streak. And counting. What do you guys think about that? This is just me studying the price action with PM. PM, if you can recognize what kind of range it'll be, what kind of delivery it might happen. I think PM is gonna have this much of a range here. We're gonna see like 60% of New York here of AM. So I'm not gonna think of this high or this low. It's gonna be like very controlled. Is your setup a breaker? It is a breaker here. This is a breaker block here. For those who missed this trade, I would probably rewatch it after the stream. Just watch 20 minutes of it. I kind of walked through exactly what I'm looking for and why I'm looking at it. First, it was a bearish breaker, then it's a bullish breaker, then we take the entry. There's a science to it in some case, in a way. But let's move forward. Keep the ball rolling. I took all the TV out on my copy traders though. I'm just gonna hold this one for fun. We're up nicely on fast track trading. We're up nicely too. We're up about a rack on my count, or 800 on my accounts. Are you more profitable in AM or PM? I think what I've been kind of preaching is like just try to limit your trading. You don't need to trade all sessions. Just focus on one, and then if you do want to trade more, you can venture out. But the question is like, am I more profitable AM or PM? I wouldn't even know with AM because I haven't been trading AM that much. I tried to trade AM today because I told my Discord like AM has been good. We're gonna try to trade it, but I didn't like the volatility of it. I've been getting 100, 300 away from passing all day. Dude, just finish it up, man. We have the breaker guy. We have the inversion guy. Lanto is just the money guy. He'll trade anything. Yeah, Lanto's versatile. I think his model with a trend guy, if anything. He'll follow the trend where me and Desi would not even think about it. There's times where we're just pushing all-time highs and just keep on going higher and higher. He'll actually buy it. While me and Desi are like, let's just wait it out. I don't like this high. So that's his strength. I'm new to this. Where can I learn the system? We're gonna drop videos probably next week. But there's Twitter content with like in-depth threads. Just go on my education channel here, and there should be enough resources to get you started. So to secure the profits on all my accounts already, just gonna hold this last one. It could slap me for a break even. Yeah, no, Dow Smith, you don't have to join the Discord right now. It's actually open to everyone for a little bit more. And I'm just focused on just trading rather than a mentorship or a Discord at the moment. So let's just tune in the free streams for now. He pulled 2 million from Apex Traders, one prop. It's just something that I'm not focused at because I might be able to attempt something like that, something groundbreaking, that record high, but I'm just somewhat content with just doing a few $100s off of 30, 40, 50 accounts, then just scale up on a few accounts. I do not like this if this do get an inversion here. Because I want to see this order block hold here. If you're so for over trading and having cap profits, you're going into every day knowing how much you want to make. For me, I'm just like, okay, I want to aim for my compound accounts, which is like, let's go for 300 average, up to 500 if there's a trade available. 200 is fine too. For my scale up accounts, I'll try to aim for 1,000, maybe 1,500 if it's presentable. But to stop you from over trading is just to limit yourself from trading too much itself. So it's like not over trading as in like there's 5 setups or you took today. It's more you're limiting your trading hours. So how many hours are you trying to trade? If you're trading 2 hours, you can't really trade like 10 setups, right? You can do that if you trade 4 sessions. That's like 8 hours, 10 hours. Brian makes good money from trading. It's a Discord business. I'm somewhat considering to like just push away from Discord for a little bit. Just focus on trading because Discord, you can make like 10K from Discord out of like 100 members or whatnot. But I feel like that's still like it's not that worth it. I like more freedom too. And then there's some expectations too. They're like, okay, you have to be live here. You have to trade every day. You have to give us alerts. You have to do all these type of things. But for YouTube, I'm like, I'm waking up. I want to do YouTube. It's not like I'm forced to. It gives me that freedom. And there says like, okay, I'm gonna just take off because I have errands or I have like an appointment. For Discord, I feel like when you have like a lot of people paying you to watch you trade, you have to make time for them. But that's just kind of where I'm at right now. It's a reset for my mental too, because when I'm trading too much, especially when I'm trading AM and PM, it's brain fry. It leads to more concerns and stuff. Brian really doesn't like us talking shit about us on stream. Disappointed, but it's just more personal than anything. But yeah, we'll probably run AM streams again. If not AM streams, I think we'll do more backtesting sessions or just educational things on Discord, not just strictly trading. That could be the avenue or the route I'll go to. Combine Discords with Lanto and Desi. I think that's what we talked about so many times. We had like a vision for that. We're like, let's do all 3 combines. It was a little complicated. We gotta figure things out. It might happen in a year though. It might happen. How many people would want to see that? A combination Discord from me, Lanto, and Desi. They said 1. So like, think about it like this. How would it work? Like, who would live stream? Would you have everyone live stream together? Because it would interfere, right? Because when I live stream, they don't really want to say a trade if it's countering me. So it's like interfering. You would have to record live or do live stream separately, which is fine with me because I do PM session live. They can do AM. It's interesting though. It's Johnny. Yeah, Johnny's joining in too. People can choose their streams. Yeah, right now, if you join any of Discord, it has the Discord bot for me, Lanto, and Desi at least. The live stream is not included. So it's like we're kind of tied together at the moment. We'll see what happens. Ooh, oh. How far we can go? How far we can go? How you set the bot, Brian? I'll talk to you in DMs about it later. Yeah, after stream. It's not that hard. We'll get Johnny in the bot too. Look at that. 4. Pumper. Pumper. Still pumping. Except 4. I'm just gonna try my stop though. I'm gonna like move the stop above here. We're gonna see how far this goes. I'll be right back. Back. See, we're working with 400 points. How much are we up? Yeah, we're rolling. We're rolling in money. Okay, did we just take that high? We did take that high. Holy crap. It's incredible. How much are we? We still have a far way to go. And we can get this hourly if anything. That'll be the range I'll be looking for. Kind of like 60% of this range. Make us go all the way up here. Not a bad idea. What time do you usually go live? Just look at my every other session, man. It's always 1 p.m. Nothing's changed. We have a history of doing live 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. What a crazy flip. I'm just gonna let this play out. Really pumping hard now. Where we can go. We have to see. $900 or 20,000 flat is getting stopped there. Wow. It's pumping. Keep the ball going. Just managing trades. Haven't seen like this in a while. Incredible push. Incredible push. This is so one-sided. I'm still looking for 2790 here. Oh, like 60 points away if we can get that. That'll be the final TP, I think. You won't stop these lives. Try not to, man. Did Patrick Wheeler make 200k live today? Can someone verify if it's eval or funded? Because freaking Patrick Wheeler is the biggest fraud I could think of. So when he's sharing 200k profits, 99% chance is eval in my head. But if he can prove me wrong, and it's like funded to do Top Step or Apex, then I'll not call him a fraud anymore. Until then, he's on fraud watch. If it's funny because he's great, I'm like, there's a chance like it's like Top Step XFAs. I'll be like, there we go. There's that 1% chance maybe he has somewhat of integrity, but I don't believe it, man. It's Patrick. It's literally Patrick Whelan. Oh, he showed on stream. Do you know how much the PAs are unfunded? Like, what's the profit? Is it like 5k profits or something? Because his rule would get him in the ass. So, there's that. He's not gonna get away with it because his rule. Let me remove my indicators so I can get a better snapshot. Damn it, get the mouse out of the way. Good trade, Tovar. Who's still holding this trade, by the way? Let's get the stream tagged. I'm gonna post it. This is our first big trade that we're just holding. To data high. Where's data high, by the way? Is this data high here? 9:30? Or no, it's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, right? Yeah, okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. I think that's the same target that I'm going for if it's the hourly entry here. Yeah. That's all I'm going for as well. So we'll likely put a sell at 2078 here. We just posted this. I'm gonna share the link, guys. Give some love on this. 14-day win streak. YouTube stream is fat rich. God damn. Unicorn entry. We'll do a giveaway if we get some likes going there. Just get back. If we can get like 30 likes in like 3 minutes, we'll do a giveaway right now. 30 likes, like 5 comments. We'll do that. This should be done in like 10 seconds. There's just not much to do from here. I'm just looking at the 5-minute here. I mean, remember this 5-minute BPR? This close above. That's why I honestly, this is why if you watch the stream early on, this is what I'm looking for. See this hold. And what I talk about all the time is like you don't have to get an entry down here. See, like this 5-minute BPR is at 880 all the way to 850s, right? Our entry was at 880s above. So like it's not even in that 5-minute BPR. We got a 1-minute entry model based off the 5-minute there. So that's why I always say like you don't have to go for the bottom, the top. I'm looking for Asia range to be like this, or New York PM range to be like this. Just notice how minus yesterday we have AM, and then half of it, a little bit more than half is PM. AM, a little bit more than half is PM. AM, a little bit more than half is PM. We're getting like a direct correlation to that, and that's what we're gonna get today, most likely as well. Very strong AM, and then a consolidation within the range PM. How many likes we got? We got enough yet? 27 likes. Let's go, guys. Let's do the giveaway. 50K day. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know if we get there. Can you go over the trade? I'll go over this one last time. If this doesn't understand, just you guys have to rewatch it while we have time. So first take is look at the 5-minute BPR here. This is why I marked out. Same trade as yesterday. Remember the 5-minute BPR yesterday? We didn't get exactly the entry, but we're watching it for something. We want to see if it does close under or close above. We had a lot of chop here, close above. ES didn't do that. ES is just, that's why ES is the weaker asset there. We've long NQ. We go with the 1-minute chart here. I'm gonna remove this here. We have this bearish breaker that I marked out on stream. That down close candle because we have the high, low, higher high, down displacement. We retraced here, but I didn't like this as an entry because we already took the liquidity target here. So this is our draw liquidity, right? We already took that. The next draw liquidity is like 300 points under. I don't think that's likely. So I want to see it return back into the range. So I'm already like looking at upside. I see confirmation now. So confirmation is violate this bearish breaker here. If we violate this bearish breaker, we'll get that bullish breaker right here. We have the high, we have the low, we have we have the low here, we have the high, we have the lower low, displace up, very strong displace at that, and then retrace back into the breaker, fair value gap entry. As long as it doesn't close under this breaker, this trade is valid. So, for instance, let's say we could do this as a stop if you want to do really tight. That's too tight for the day like this. I'll probably go at this low here. But if we do close under here, I'll just kill that trade and look for re-entry. And then we're looking for a run all the way back to this internal high here. So 75 points. No, it wasn't the turn high. It was this high. My bad. First target here, 920. That's what I did. 40 points. Even at this low here, this 1.5 RR, I would probably not do this low. I would probably do it about 15 points near 3 RR, and then we're still going here. Last target would be the hourly, which is the data high in the hourly. If we can get it, that'll be 200 points. About almost 14 RR trade, 14, 15. We'll see. We'll see how that plays out. I'm still looking for additional trades if it's possible. If not, well, let's ride out. Alright, does that make sense? Are we good? Mm-mm. 49 likes. You guys are correct. Alright, let's do the giveaway. I should have set up the giveaway bot, damn it. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. I need to do a channel where no one can talk. Okay, let's do it on the prop sell channel. Thumbs up for giveaway 215 or 260. And I'll give you guys the link. We're gonna do the old-fashioned way again. $216. Just gotta go to prop sell, thumbs up, and then we'll pick. Some people are asking about my indicators. Here's the thing about that, guys. Go to general chat, go to pinned messages, and look at this. Stat map, macro tracker, AGFX, PO3, everything's here. Look at that. Everything's in the Discord, guys. You do it for me. Looking for that data high or hourly high, basically. We're like 40 points away. Even if we get this data high, I think we'll still jab into it. Maybe he'll get like another 30 points. And then we'll maybe see him move back down. So that's our draw liquidity right now. It's a very ambitious draw, but it is a draw. All you gotta do is thumbs up and then like the stream. That's it. Nothing else. All right, guys, he's gonna jump on for a little bit. Power. Is it called? That's weird. Alright, I want to get Desi in first, and then we'll do the giveaway, guys. Yo, let me set you up here. Discord bot, boom. Okay, say something real quick.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yeah, your volume is really low.
How about now? How about now?
Unless it's my volume. Let me check. Maybe my music's too high. Oh, it is high. Okay, I see. Okay, you might be good.
Bet.
Yeah, my volume is just too high. There we go. Dude, Desi, check stream right now. Check my stream.
I'm loading right now.
I'm pretty sure we.
Oh shit! We got the same entry. Wait, my entry is 941. What's yours?
I'm no.
Here, though. Yes,
941. Oh no, mine is all the 881.
Holy shit, Brian.
Yeah, we're balling, dude. We're balling.
Bro, I just read up 9.5K on 4 accounts.
Wait, no way. You trading 4 accounts. Post screenshot all four of them. No way. Dude, Desi just about to make like 30, 40K here. Same trade. All right, last call here. I'll do it till 2:18. If you just press thumbs up, we'll do the giveaway. How many times do you stream it a week? 5 days a week, guys. No days off, unless there's a natural disaster. The hurricane took me off for a day.
Bro, my DOM keeps resetting on top of X. I don't know why.
Are you still holding, by the way, Desi?
No, I literally closed that ES.
I'm gonna take the data high here.
I'm not gonna lie though. I'm not gonna lie. My entry was like not that good. Like I got in earlier, but I played the upside bias. I was down, I think, like 40 points. At 130, I was down like 45.
Bro, why is everyone tagging or like commenting on the stream or on the Twitter post like Juno here, then Kane? They're all long right now. Like everyone's in this.
Dude, I feel like a lot of people took a lot of similar trades because a lot of people caught upside and also the downside this morning.
Yeah, that's correct. That's good. I mean, so far we have the best entry, but I believe he got the 5-minute inversion here. Is that the 5-minute inversion?
So what I had was
it is.
I had 2 minis, right? Or like initially, and then you see the inversion at what was it, 130? That 5-minute?
Yeah.
I got in at that. Not the greatest entry, like I said. I had a lot of drawdown, but the short from earlier kept me.
Dude, 9K per account on 4 accounts. That is crazy, man. That's crazy.
Guys, I'm playing aggressive. That's all I gotta say for the rest of the week as well. I have a lot of buffer. I'm gonna go for.
It's so volatile today too. Like today is a day for you to either make it big or go broke.
Yeah. So tomorrow I have this is my day 1, so I'm gonna have access. I only have access to 3 minis today, so.
3. If you had access to more minis.
10K on 3 minis. So right. I'm gonna tomorrow. I mean, I think the day I want to focus on is NFP day. We'll see how overnight sessions go.
All right, we're gonna use ChatGPT for this giveaway here, guys.
Dude, someone you know Chris, right? He tagged on Twitter.
Yeah.
Dude, he 30. I think it's 32K now on a 50K Express account, guys. $32,000 of profits, almost 100% on the account. I think that's the biggest gain I've ever seen on a 50K XFA.
86. Yeah, we're gonna stop at 86 here, guys. 1 being me, and then everyone's down. Hopefully not too high. 47. So we're gonna count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Q's 10. 1, 2, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Misses 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6 or 7, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rug Priests.
What are you doing, giveaway?
Yeah, we're doing the. I was gonna do a giveaway for them.
You doing it right now for the account?
Yeah.
Which accounts?
Just the MyFun features. You want to toss one in?
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
How do you want to do the giveaway? You want to do it the number, or you want to do it the chat?
Just do whatever, which way you're doing it.
Let's do it with the chat this time. Let's see. You could do like guess a number 1 to 100, and you can get 1 guess. You want to try that? First one to guess it.
Oh, okay. Well, the chat's about to spam so hard right now. Guys, I'm not paying Brian.
1 to 100. Guess a number. 1 guess. Closest one wins.
Am I picking? Okay, yeah, I got mine.
Send me the number on Discord.
Oh my god, someone already got it. I'm not even lying. Someone got it first try.
Dude, I see some people spamming it.
Itachi won, bro. It was a 1, 2, 3. The 5th one. He said 56.
56. He said it one time too. Yeah. All right, Tachi, look at that.
Look, that was quick. That's probably the
That was
quickest one you ran.
quick.
That's
We'll see. We'll see if we hit this, we might do another one. So
What is it? 50K starter?
Yeah, yeah. So Itachi and Rug, you guys can DM me.
That was good. That was cool.
For just like 56, 56. If we get this data high, we might do another giveaway. Let's do that.
But what I think we're about to tap into a 4-hour gap. I'm expecting like a small negative reaction there, but dude, if we inverse this 4-hour gap for tomorrow, I'm probably gonna go lean bullish again for the rest of the week. Dude, today's price action was very clean.
How can we?
Brian, you think I should keep going today or give it like?
Maybe stop at if you go back to 5K, you stop.
I was gonna say like 7K.
Yeah, whatever the plan is, just keep going until you throw yourself out, basically.
Yeah. Dude, my funny futures too, bro. I can't believe I'm not on a live account yet, bro. It's kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. I have so many, like, my monthly calendar is insane.
Everyone I know around me is actually up pretty big today.
Yeah, dude, seriously, I'm happy. Like, I was looking on Twitter and I was looking at Discord rooms. I'm like, dude, everyone's kind of like, they're doing their shit, which is good.
Guys, get giveaways done, guys. Some people spamming numbers still. They're like, I still have a chance. He didn't say it's over yet, so I still got a nice chance, guys. That's what they're thinking right now.
22 green days, 3 red days, so I'm probably gonna go 8 more days, and then I'm actually mad that they're making me wait the full 30 days, like the 30 green day thing.
Yeah.
Just give it to me.
Dude,
Daily withdrawals, that'd be nice.
13 win streak today, the 14. As long as I don't do anything stupid, which I've
yeah,
done already.
You're good, dude. After this trade, you might as well, dude. I'll call it.
Oh my goodness! Imagine I just keep on. Let's go for 50K. Let's go 100K. Little.
I don't even want to show chat the trade that I took earlier. Downside. I took the inversion, the 9:56 a.m. 1-minute bullish gap inversion to the downside. To move back up, I was just kind of playing that weekly gap.
How much you up? Desi, you know the number? For me, I think I'm up like 25 right now. If I add it all up, just a rough estimate. Something light.
Like
something light.
My. Look at this guy. Look at this guy, Brian. Something light 25K day.
Something light. Well, it's because
on
my copy trade, I compounded a lot. Well, this trade here, I just went right.
Yeah. No, if you guys seriously, if you haven't been part of the streams in the last like month, Brian has been on absolute burner. Like,
dude, 14-day win streak.
Shout out Brian. Coming on live every single day, giving trades, giving winners, managing proper risk. Like,
I felt like today's might be the day that I'm gonna end the win streak because of it's so volatile. There's like all these news. I might just end up on the wrong side of things. But like literally, we jumped on stream. We're like, I like this breaker. I want to see this close here, get this displacement, and I'll take the entry. Did exactly that. Took the entry, and then the rest was history. That was it. That's all it took. That's literally all it took.
Someone posted Top Step X today, and I guess they shorted the absolute bottom.
Oh man, when would they learn?
Like, I was talking about like the deep bottom.
They never learn, bro. They actually never learn. Who's taking the trades? Like, we need to know. We need to know.
Yeah.
The people deserve to know who's taking all these trades for them. Because it's not looking good. Hey, we're just riding up here. Let's see the push we can here. Push the 53s. And then close. Man, I would have been up so much more if I actually took the trade on my held on my apex, but I have to pay out already, so I don't want to jeopardize it. So it's like a small base hit. That's the thing. Like if PayPal or no, if Apex just automatically deduct my balance, I think I'll be much more aggressive right now.
Mm-hmm. Oh, did you see my?
Oh, look at that! Nice push.
Relocated control.
Yeah. Let's see. Did you send something? Oh. Yeah, they didn't confirm yet. Do you think live streaming improved your trading? I think it improved my mental state more than anything. I don't think it improved my trading because we have the same system. Like we trade the same thing every day. It's just how you execute it, how you deliver it. If I'm not on stream, I might be either making a lot more money or making less money because I'm over trading. But we're on that compound mindset right now, so that's probably why. Slow money. But if you like, I don't know if you're asking like if you should start streaming yourself. I think it's a lot of work. It's more so you should be more accountable with what you're doing. So it could be journaling. Journaling is a good option because live streaming is a lot of work. It honestly is a lot of work. Be various other things. But dude, Desi, should I run up my Express account, man?
Run that shit up,
Bro,
Brian. I'm telling you, I'm playing so aggressive for the rest of the week. I don't care, bro.
Dude, look at my.
I gotta fund the Japan trip, bro.
From that trade, look at my top step, bro. We're at 400 on all accounts. We're at 3K again. This will be my third payout, and I think I got like 12K first payout, 10K the second payout, and most likely another like 7-8K in 2 days here. But
oh yeah, dude.
That's just me compound. Like I want to run it up because I'm getting inspired and like somewhat FOMO. Just like with you, with Lanto, especially.
No, this is chill. Knock on wood, bro. This is like I'm not.
It gives me somewhat of FOMO because I'm like, I could compound with all my other accounts, but maybe we should throw account to scale up. How long does it usually take to pass a challenge? If you guys know me, you must be new here. If you guys know me.
Do you guys know what NFP stands for? Basically, full port it all.
I think we streamed the last like 10 for CPI, non-farm payroll, and all that stuff. So, come on, man. Definitely a lot of new people here, though. It's so funny though. Like everyone's coming out the woodwork, say like we took the same trade, we took the same trade. It's like, damn. Someone's watching me from their looks like their Dell laptop. It looks kind of old, but look at that, straight from stream, baby. All right, I think this is still gonna get hit here. Jackson said, "Brian have more viewers than Tanya if he just put a face cam and unbutton his shirt."
God damn.
Max trolling. I think it's also the consistency.
Brian underwear only stream.
Yeah.
People want to see it.
I think we might need the magnets coming here, guys.
The magnets.
The magnets. Who got the magnets? I'm gonna trademark the magnets so Lanto can't use it. anytime Lanto used the magnet in his Discord, to say you can't use it no more. It's already.
Dude, every time I use a magnet, it doesn't work, dude. I'm a jinx to it.
But yeah. Oh, Des, did you hear? I posted on my Twitter. You probably maybe saw it already. Tradeify increasing the funding, man.
What do you mean?
What do you think about that? Tradeify increasing the funding. They have 5 counts right now. They're increasing it, but they don't know what. Like, it could be 10, it could be 8, it could be 20.
I think 8 would be solid.
8 would be solid. I feel like they're leaning towards 10 though.
That'd be fire, dude.
Yeah. So
My Fund of Futures, if you're listening, 5 accounts, please. Please.
I went through the payout for a Tradeify this morning. Got it proved and paid in like 30 minutes. I think they have the same system as My Fund of Futures. So they already deducted my balance. I got the payout already, and we have already enough for the second payout, much more than that. So we're chilling. All right, guys. I think the magnets need to hit here.
There you go. The magnets. The magnets.
Come on, guys. Spam the magnets. 079.
There you go. There you go.
Boom. Dude, that was a 200-point play. That's my entry of 881 all the way to 079. It's like 198 points. And from the micros on discount, made $470 from 2 micros. 2 micros, guys. That's absurd. Literally 2 micros did that.
This is good because they really left a very a clear area of liquidity too.
You know what Lanto said? The chat. He's like, using the trailing method. I was like, yeah, I'm stealing it. This is mine now. All right.
Lance, like, these guys are rookies. I do this on a daily basis. Sorry,
I've been doing this.
Yeah, I ain't lie, man. Look at these guys finally catching on.
The trail method was good today, though. Dude, if there is a trade, we'll go for it. But if not, we have basically 30 more minutes before we don't touch anything anymore. Just exit. My side taken. I think we still have another drive. So if you guys look at the hourly here, that is the draw liquidity, but I still think we moved a little bit into this hourly inefficiency. It's a very large gap. I think we just take a jab inside of it. ES already did that already. Maybe we'll get to the midpoint here. And NQ would also follow suit. How many counts you trade at the same time? I think I have 50 counts right now.
That is insane.
Let me just do the math, guys. Like, let's calculate the potential, right? So we'll just do one by one. Apex, FTT, those 2 biggest one right now. Tradeify, My Fund Futures, and Top Step. Yeah. So Top Step has 5. My Fund Futures has 3. Tradeify has 5, and then now more than 5 coming next in 2 weeks, and 20 for FTT. 20 for Apex. And also, I have TBT too. I have 5 take prop trader. I just haven't traded them yet. So 20, 20, 5, 5. That's 50 already. 53 if you count all of them. And then 58 if you count TBT. Right now, I'm mostly focused on Apex, FTT, and Top Step right now. And Tradeify in a little way. I'm still working on the other 2 to get filled up. But yeah. So what you can do is copy trade TPT, Top Step, My Fund Futures, Apex, all in one firm. While FTT, you have to do through Quant Tower right now because they don't have NinjaTrader integration. So just think like this. I'm gonna disregard TPT right now. Disregard because I'm not really copying them right now. I haven't traded them yet. 53 counts times. Let's do like $250. What is that, guys? What is that? 53.
What's the math on that?
250. 13K. 13K. That's if you do $250. People usually aim for a little bit higher. Even on 2 micros today, I did 470 right there. So that's it. That's it. And then my other account, I think we started at this one. We're up 3K on that account, so we're chilling there too. Not heard of Tradeify. Tradeify is a newer firm. I think they're a month old. I got payout with them, so I can vouch for them in that aspect. As long as they don't, do anything shady, I'll support them. Did we just hit it to the tick? Where's the high of that wick right there? It's 180. We went like a point above and then straight back down.
I want to see this kind of trade back down to a range now, and then maybe get a good overnight session.
You could do 40 on FTT, 20 with LC. I would do that only if they pay me out first. I'm still in.
Yeah.
They're very backed up right now. I might get my payout in 2 weeks at this rate. Like Apex would probably pay me first, even though I submitted my payout for FTT a week ago. So I already handicapped Apex a little bit. Are you copy trading TradingView while using Ninja? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm only doing TradingView just for the stream. I normally don't execute on TradingView. But yeah, if you track my Twitter the last like 13 days, I've been averaging about 10 to 25K per day. This is conservative. $250 on these accounts is very conservative. So yeah, we'll see. I think I still want another push up, but if it looks like we're just trying to retrace first before another push up, that's also fine too. We already took the data high. I want to see ES do get in this what's this? Is this the new week open gap here? Yeah, new week open gap. Tap that, see what happens first. Do you have a video on the trade copier? Yes, I do. Everyone asks that to me like 5 times a day, and I always say the same thing. As like, it's on my YouTube. It's on my YouTubes.
Like
and before I had that video, I would literally explain it to each one of them. I'm like, okay, this video, I'm gonna work like 3 hours to make the best video, easy to digest, 8 minutes to show everything. And people still ask me about it. Oh, giveaway when data high is met. Shit. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna. I'm gonna do just a $50 PayPal to two people. Let's do that. How should we do it though?
First one to oil up and post it on Twitter gets it.
That is crazy. This Tradeify charge commission. I think all firms charge commission, except Fast Track Trading, surprisingly. I don't know why they don't charge commission. But yeah. let me think. How should we do the giveaway? $100. We could do $100. Here, actually, I'll start here. I'm gonna do something interesting. Maybe I'll do this for the rest of the stream or for the rest of the month too. We're gonna upload a new submission box, or it's gonna be giveaways. Let's just do that. These already have the automation set up.
Yeah, bro, I'm about to go in like 20 minutes, so.
Yeah, we're gonna probably wrap up soon too. You're good.
Okay.
We're just vibing out though. But yeah, glad you came, man. So you're up 9K on 4 Top Step account. Is that the detail there?
So far, I'm gonna see if I can get something else in. And then they just kind of have so much buffer, but I'm gonna probably cap myself at like 7.
And then you're up on MyFund futures too. Did you copy trade all your MyFund futures?
Yeah, that's. I only have 2 accounts on it.
That's good.
I just secure like whatever, and that is usually like 800 to $1,000. I'm requesting the payout today because I was supposed to request it yesterday, but I still needed. I think it was an extra $300 for the 5 days or something because I have 1 max loss from last week.
Yeah. Let me set up the giveaway here. Dude, how much? I should do a recap of how much we're up on September though. It's a new month. I forget that it's a new month
September.
now. But I've been telling I want October to be the biggest month, like a record high month.
Dude, October.
That's what I'm aiming for.
I think this rest of the week's gonna be good too.
You're trying to finish strong too, right? Because you have your
yeah, I'm
your
leaving
trip
soon
too.
Yeah.
You leave like what, mid-October?
Yeah, the 14th.
You better make like 50K payout at least, and then 100K profits before that.
Yeah, facts. That's kind of the goal. We'll see. That'll be fire.
Yeah, still looking for a higher move here, guys.
Yeah, I'm not. This is where like I'm kind of like I want to take some, but I gotta chill because I really don't know where we're gonna head right now.
Yeah.
I don't have a clear draw here, so I'll probably just call it. I might utilize this manual lockout right now.
That's only what wimps do, man.
That's what wimps do.
Manual lockout. Just kidding. I mean, it's a good feature. It's actually
It is a good feature. It is. Bro, no daily loss limit gets you like thinking of some crazy shit, bro. It makes me feel like I'm Rafa or some shit.
All right, let's get you guys your promised giveaway, guys. We'll do 3 people, $50 each. So total today will be like I think like $250 total giveaways. That should be plenty, right?
No, we need a $1,000 giveaway. Dude, we should have a stream where we do a giveaway every 15 minutes. Or like every 10 minutes. That'd be fun.
Everyone's gonna jump on, man. They're like, win giveaway. They're like, we're trying to trade too, guys.
Down 10K by the giveaway every 10 minutes. Dude, Brian, I haven't slept in like 2 days.
That is not healthy, but
yeah, I think I'm about to crash soon. I slept like last night. I slept like an hour, and then the night before I slept like an hour and a half.
I mean, you made your bag, man. That's what I imagine Lanto does too. He just like, I just did trade Asia. I stayed up all night. I just made a lot of money. Let's go to sleep.
Like I was gonna go to sleep when I texted I'm not hopping on. I was like, dude, I think I'm gonna knock out. But I was like, nah, this price action's too good. Can't.
Yeah.
I can't leave.
You gotta strike when the iron's hot.
100%. So we'll see.
All right, let's do this. All right, we have the submission box here. This way I could do it automated. And this is something we might do for the future streams as well. Just because it's so much easier to do. And I already have the PayPal set up. Just click that link. I think you just gotta make a quick account and then fill out this form, and then we're good. And we'll do 3 accounts. 3 accounts, about $50 each. So 150 total to end the stream. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. New thing. All you gotta do is make an account first. and then go to my account, make account, go to my accounts, and it should be there. Just a giveaway form, nothing else. Simple. I don't think there's not much trades right now. If we can get a liquidity sweep here, I would look for another long setup. If not, I don't think I'm touching this.
That's slowing down here. That's like all the high probability targets have been taken out. So, see what this power hour does.
Alright, let's see how many submission we got already. Bro, Desi, when you hopping on the London stream, man? I'll hop on with you. Dude, I guess maybe post your trip.
Bro, I was looking at what time the market opens there. It's actually not as late as I thought. I think it's like 10 p.m. for New York. But I'm gonna hop on your streams to log trades. I'm gonna need you to keep your streak going.
Alright.
I'm like, oh, Brian's in long, so say no more.
I'll give you guys till 3 p.m. You guys have 13 minutes. It should take you guys 2 minutes right now. We already have like 10 submissions. Some people are 12 now. There we go. And since you guys already have the count, we're gonna just continue doing so. Probably this way. Much easier that way. And it could be just PayPal. Then you got freedom to buy whatever account you want. Dude, it just got really slow after taking out that data high target. But that's probably my first 200-point trade on stream. Incredible. The PayPal email is going to be your PayPal email. Because we're going to send the payment through PayPal. And it should be automated already. But yeah, I think I'm up like 25k right now. Maybe a little bit less. I can't tell. I need to just add it all up first.
Who's counting anyways?
Who's counting? Who's as long as PayPal or not PayPal. Apex approved my payout. PayPal. 45k.
PayPal firm coming soon.
We're done, baby. We're done. 45k. I'll use like 45k. I'll use 500 of that for a giveaway if they pay me out first. Be like, yeah. How many accounts is that? Like, I guess it'd be like 10 big accounts or 20 small accounts. Well, that's good, man. That's good. Yeah, we're just stuck here. Like I could go for one more trade on one of my accounts.
Call it a day, bro.
We don't see it in there now. I forgot that there's literally one account I haven't traded yet.
Oh god.
That's why I'm like, I should make something or touch it somewhere. I forgot. The trade copier didn't click right on that one. How many days do we need for FTT payout? It's 10 with 20% is his rule. All right. Who else? Does anyone have trouble with the form? Because we already have 40 plus people and 42 right now. Yeah, 10 more minutes. We'll do 3, and tomorrow we'll try to keep on doing like 1 to 2 every day. Unless I'm red. If I'm red, no giveaway. press 1 if you already submitted the form and you're good. Everyone should have a PayPal, right? Yeah, Juno actually took the same exact trade as me. That's incredible. I think he didn't hold a runner for data high, but is it the... That looks like the same breaker that I used to. Yeah, it is. It is. You guys entry a little bit higher, which is fine. I think that's appropriate too. But as long as his stop was at this low here, he should be perfectly fine. That's basically great mind thinks of life. Hey, you guys good. One model that everyone can utilize. That's the name of the game.
All right, bro. I'm gonna hop off. Right out.
Okay.
All right, chat. I'll be on the whole PM tomorrow.
You heard him first. If Desi doesn't show up, he owes you guys 3 counts.
3 buddy cat giveaways. Gotta show up. All right, I'll catch you guys. Good shit, Brian.
All right. Yeah. See ya. Consecutive closing lower on the 5-minute right now. We're building some liquidity on ES turtle here. We might get a deep drive here. That's what I'm anticipating. Okay, we have 50 submission. You guys have 7 more minutes if you want to finish this up. When you choose winner, we're gonna choose it like after 3 p.m. and we're gonna choose 3 winners. I'll probably spin a wheel or something. Or I don't want to show you guys' name. Maybe if I use only your first name, that could be fine. Or just partial. Maybe it'll just be initials. I'll do initials. I want to see this drive down and then see if it can come back up. That might be the last trade I'll go for today. If it does, give that like a version type of entry model here. How do you pick breakers, man? That's what it's a secret. Okay, look at that. See if this pop up here. I want to see this move higher. So we can swip turtles and then hold for this push back up. Should aim for these highs here. Let me check the ES too. ES did the same thing. We stick these lows here. And want to see this return back up. Beautiful, beautiful. Should run these highs now. That's the last trade I'm going for. Should hit here. That's all the accounts I didn't trade on today. There we go. 10 points, base hits. All right, let's focus giveaway. I would go for this as a target, this eternal higher 64, but I'm just going for base hits, just to even it out. So for today, we're doing pretty good. Let me just show you guys where we're at. These are all my accounts today. Pretty good. 5 Apex, or 5 Top Step, 390, the Tradeify, and then all the rest is Apex. I'm not going for big on Apex just because I'm already at payout. I want them to get deducted first. The target is looking for this high here. For this push. Simple enough is because we have chop here. We have some internal lows. I wanted to see it get swept. It didn't sweep all the way down here, but we just want an internal sweep here and then return back up. Target hit. There we go. Last play. Easy money. That was it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think I responded to the same guy about my for the future rebate. I just typed it in. Hopefully that gets CBAN. Alright. I think we have enough time here. Okay, let's look at how many. We have 61 submissions so far. It's not looking good. Okay. So far, 61 submission. You guys have 2 more minutes if you want to make the submission. All you gotta do is make an account and fill the submission box. It basically is asking you to give me your PayPal email so I can, if you win, we'll send the payment immediately. Yeah, so 61 so far. We're doing 2, or did I say 2 or 3? I think I said 3. We're doing 3. $50 each, $50 a pop. Can you explain rebate? I'll explain after the giveaway. I'll give another quick explanation. We're at 65. Okay. If you submitted double submission, we might have to disqualify you because we can see if it's unique or not. Someone just DM me saying I actually submit twice. Alright. 3 p.m. now. Okay. We're gonna stop there. How many submission we got? We have 66 total. We're just gonna do a number generator. This is all the 66 people here. I'm just gonna give you guys the initial of the name, or just the first like 3 letters. 66 of them here. We're gonna do the giveaway based on that. Oh, there's the next page here. There's 3 pages. And then we should already have everyone in. Okay. 66, okay. Let me make sure we still have 66. I'm gonna do a giveaway bot probably after this to make it easier, but I'm just doing it very slow right now. Once 267 submission, there's probably a few duplicates, which if it's a duplicate, we're gonna have to roll again. Give me 3 numbers. $12, $33, and $56. Okay. We're just gonna have to go for 12. Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys the first name. This is 12. Yep, this is 33, and 56 is the last one. And we can just give you guys the money right away. And then Samuel is the last one. Oh. These 3, okay. I'll send you guys the payment after we verify is a duplicate. If you guys, if you get the giveaway, if that's why your name, just say something in Discord. If one of these are your name, maybe most people have different names or the same name, but if you're I think it's Arm Roots. I think I missed a letter. Harshaw Samuel, you'll get the payment. We're gonna wrap the stream right there. I'll send a picture of the payment on chat just so you know it's for real. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Oh, I think someone asked me to explain the rewards again. Let me type the names. If this is one of your names here, be in Discord, just to make sure I can qualify you. You can leave now if you don't want to hear the rewards. We're done already. Basically, the rewards, we have an automation setup. You just make an account. You visit the website, make an account. You go to my account and scroll down for cash rebate. The rebate form is going to open. This is what it looks like. Basically, you put your name, your email, your order ID for whatever account you're trading. If it's FTT, My Funded Futures, or Tradeify, you get a rebate of 5 to 7%. And this is the current promotion right now. So let's say for FTT right now, 55% off. Add another 6%, 7% cash rebate. Now you're like saving 62%, 61%. And we sent out 4,400 the last 2 days. This says 7 days, but it's only been 2 days so far. And this is a testimony here. Basically, to break it down, we'll get about 10%, 50% commission for whoever used our referral links or discount code. We're going to pass on about half of that to you guys to help you save more. And it's open to everyone. I think we mentioned the limit right now is 400 users. We're at 155. I think we are at 260 right now. So we're almost wrapping up for October. This is going to last for October. And if we can have it automated set up, we're going to do this indefinitely. And let me just type this up. All purchases from October is valid. Submission will open twice, mid-October and end of October for a few days. It's basically like payout windows. So it helps you accumulate your rewards. So if you bought like, let's say the next 2 weeks you bought like 5 My Fund Features, 5 Tradeify, now you're accumulating rewards. So like halfway through the month, we're gonna add it all up. We're gonna track it, and then we're gonna give you like, it could be like $500. And I think the highest person so far has like about 1,200. Yeah, if you want more information, you can look at the Discord. You can ask me in the Discord too. We have a dev team, and we're going to look into staff as well, just to help you guys out with the savings. We're in the stream here. We'll see you guys tomorrow. 14-day win streak, guys. That's the last trade too. Like look at this last trade here. If you took it in this version, I took it a little bit lower. I think I took it at 46 here when we were projecting it because we got that push already. Boom. Internal taken. Good way to end that too. Yeah, I'll end this here. See you guys tomorrow.